Howdy and Namaste Daily Achievers. My name is Parth Sahani and welcome to the Karma Yogi podcast, where we discuss how to attract extraordinary success and become a better version of ourselves every day. Police killings, racial discrimination, communal riots, vandalism. The visuals are nothing but appalling. Yes, it's best to not let negativity and toxic news seep into and dominate our life. I've communicated many times why we must stay away from news and focus on personal growth and skill development instead for our better success and well-being. But at the moment, we just can't turn a blind eye to what's happening in America, not as a responsible global citizen. All our hearts are aching and filled with sadness and disbelief over the events that transpired in the past few weeks. People of color, especially Black Americans, have been going through racism and discrimination, whether it be intentionally or unintentionally, for a very long time now. And it's time that we all unite and fight together to fix this social issue. The first step that we can all take in this direction is to develop a firm belief in our minds that change is possible. One thing that stops us from making real change happen in the world is our own resistance towards it. We start living the lie that we are too small, too insignificant to make lasting change happen. We start thinking it's futile to question the norms and start believing that some problems are just too big to solve. But the truth is that there's not a single problem that's too big to be fixed. When we muster the courage to work towards bringing positive change in the world and cultivate an unwavering faith in our ability to succeed, no matter how many setbacks or obstacles we encounter, we empower ourselves to accomplish huge feats together. The key lies in taking small, consistent steps towards creating meaningful change. If we all work together and take little actions every single day to overcome racism and discrimination, sooner or later we will fix this issue for good. It's important that we take personal responsibility for our words, behaviors, and actions. If we all align them towards this cause and actively fight for it together, day in and day out, we can overcome this problem. Hate and divide never benefit anyone. Love does. And that's why it's crucial that we all take a united front and believe that we can indeed create the change that we want to see in this world. Never forget, we are humans first, and each of us is our brothers and sisters' keeper. Let's fight together for our shared humanity, for a better future, and for a peaceful and more evolved world. We can do this. Now it's time for the Gratitude Attitude segment, where I talk about things that I feel grateful for, things that add immense value to my life. This week, I would like to express gratitude for the podcast Radio Headspace that I've started listening to since the past few weeks. I have been really enjoying it and have incorporated it along with my morning meditation sessions. So if you're someone who's interested in mindfulness and meditation and has been a fan of Headspace, you'll enjoy the daily insights offered in the podcast. Just search for Radio Headspace in your favorite podcasting platform. I'll also add a link to it in the show notes. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. I'll be releasing another private podcast this week, and it's accessible exclusively to my members at Patreon. That's right, the best way to support my work is by becoming a Patreon member. I'm not keen on taking money from irrelevant sponsors and advertisers because let's face it, most advertisements are distractions. Since I won't clutter my website, YouTube channel or podcast with meaningless ads, my work is 100% supported by my audience. As a patron, you get exclusive access to the Karma Yogi private podcast where I release Patreon-only episodes and answer questions exclusively from patrons. At higher tiers, patrons can also get a deeper experience with the exclusive conversations feed, which includes bonus videos related to personal development, philosophy, success psychology, and the human condition, along with free copies of my future books in the ebook format before the public release. If you'd like to learn more about this, you can go to patreon.com/Parth Sahani and become my patron there. Do check out my new book, Thriving in the New Normal, an 8-week program to safeguard your holistic health and help you grow through adversity, on your favorite digital bookstore. I'm confident it'll be a great resource for you in these challenging and uncertain times. If you would like to ask me a question or have any comments or suggestions, write an email or send a voice memo to podcast@parthsahani.com. And if you want even more resources to create an extraordinary life and become a better version of yourself every day, plus some personal insights and updates, along with monthly book recommendations from me that I only share in email, come visit my website at thekarmayogi.blog and make sure you subscribe to my email newsletter. Also, when you sign up, you'll get my beautiful e-guide, Becoming a Karma Yogi, a quick and essential guide to revolutionize your life for free. Of course, you won't receive any spam and you can unsubscribe anytime. So take care of yourself and stay safe. Remember, this is the time to cultivate love, compassion, and kindness, to be and do our best, and to just keep calm and carry on. Focus on your actions and let go of the outcomes, because success is a journey, not a destination, and we need to keep working towards it every single day. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.